Okay, welcome to my short showcase of ASCII2pixels. So let's say you have an ASCII image in black and white, and there's a problem. You don't have the original image. So what you can do is use my software to open any plain text file. So let me just find one. Yeah. So let's just open nyancat.ascii. Let's see, do we have a dash character? We do not. So let's change this to a dash. Something like that. And then a dot would be just a bit brighter. So yeah. And then if we do generate, yeah. So this is our result. So what's happening here is we're taking all the ASCII characters and we're translating them into pixels. So let's try stretch. Nice. So that's our Nyan Cat picture. And you can totally see that's Nyan Cat. I mean, there's no arguing here. I mean, so maybe a bit brighter. Let's replace that and generate. And we can just fiddle with it in real time. It's just cool. And well, at the top, the slash could also be a bit brighter. And yeah, maybe like that. So you can just tune it, mess around with it, and eventually you'll get a cute Pop-Tart cat. I mean, isn't that adorable? Let's try generating it. And it's a bit wrong, but you can see how that look like a dog. I mean, so yeah, you can just mess around with it until you get some results you like. So this is what the original looks like. This is just a text file, and we tried Nyan Cat. That's what it looks like in text, which is cool, not gonna lie. It's pretty awesome. Just gonna wait for this to finish, and we can't see anything. So it looks about the same, but you can save as and you'll see how big it'll be. And if you open it here, like paint.net, just ignore all these other images, they're irrelevant to what I'm trying to talk about. So let's do, yeah, this is 100% scale. You can see how big each pixel is this one. This is this of myself. It looks kind of weird, but this used to be ASCII. You can open up another image. So this is what this image like in text looks like. If we zoom it way out, you can kind of make out what it is. But we're gonna make it more obvious. I think I know why that occurred. It's most likely because I had generator progress here and it wanted to go over the progress limit. Keyboard image, and as you can see, it didn't error out this time. So let's try generating it, and let's stretch and let's do p7x scale to get a better quality of image. So you can kind of make out what it is based on all of this. Actually, you can even kind of see the mouse mat that I was using back there, and a manual and stuff. So you can kind of tell what this is. You can even kind of make out the old Logitech logo here. I don't know how easy it is to tell that these are the light indicators instead of buttons like these are here. There's a numpad. So yeah, it's a picture of a keyboard. That's what this is. HTM plus slash colon dash. I believe we have all the characters required. So let's generate. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's the dominant colors in this one. So that's S. S needs to be darker. And yeah, that's the kind of tuning you can do. But we're generating pictures out of text. Like, how cool is that? Okay, that looks more like it. So these guys are like blue and this is yellow. So yeah, we wanna separate all of these guys. Yellow is brighter than blue, obviously, so that's what I was going for here, and I was able to recreate this smile thing. So this was a short review of the ASCII image thing. If we look at main.css here, this is the code. And the render image, I'm using multi-threading here, so the program interface wouldn't freeze when I'm generating the image, which I'm kind of proud of, but it isn't that crazy big of a deal. And yeah, there's nothing crazy to it. Basically, this is the main deal. This is what we actually care about. So y and x are the coordinates. Obviously, I is something. Oh, I is the total number of pixels. I think that's what this is. So that can, yeah, you can set the progress bar value. That's what that is. So that's what I is. And that's it. There's nothing more to it. It's like really simple code. Nothing crazy going on here. It's like ridiculous simple. So thanks for watching. I mean, this is not complicated at all. And yes, have a nice day.